graphics designs here, and as promised I'm going to be bringing you a tutorial on how to do pretty professional looking Cinema 4D 3D text. First thing you want to do is go into your MoGraph, MoText. Now we're going to turn this into some pretty nice text. First you just want to change it to whatever you want, graphics designs, and then put the depth to 100, and then the font. This font I'm going to be using there. Today I'm going to be using the font Richie Mishi. You can get that from defont.com, and I think it's just a nice bulky font. Then we just want to line it up so you can see it all. And now what we want to do is on this, we want to do caps and fillet cap and fillet cap and constrain. And then just keep it as that. Then we want to go MoGraph. No, we want to do that. We want to click on that, Control C, Control V, and want to untick constrain and put the steps up to 3. So step down to 30, no, 40 in fact. And now we just drag it centre-ish, so you've got something a bit like that. Now when we render this, it does look pretty nice, pretty professional, but that's not what we want. Now what we're going to do is just click on File and Shader. Now we want to go onto the new key, and this gives me this nice grey. I want to go into Fuse A, and you can put it whatever colour you want. I think a nice orange looks nice. That orange looks nice. I want to put this on the outer layer. Then we get new material, and just change this colour to a black / dark grey. It's up to you. And then we want to put reflection and fresnel, I don't know how to pronounce it, specular of metal, that down there, that up, and that looks about right. Drag this on to our inner text. If we just render that now, that's already looking a lot nicer. Now if we just add some lighting, which is this little icon here, pull it out, pull it across into about the centre, pull it out a bit, pull it up, and then quite tight. And basically, yeah. And then if you want, then we're going to the render settings, output 1280 by 720. Want to go and save, file format, PNG, or you can put it as a TIFF PSD layers if you want to put it in Photoshop, but that's not what I'm going to do. And want to tick alpha channel. Now we want to go into the anti-aliasing best. Then want to add the ambient occlusion effect and global illumination in the immediate cache. Want to put this one and this one to left. Okay. Now obviously you'll need to resize it, maybe get a better angle than what I've got. And this now does take a while to render, but as you can see, it just looks very glossy. And I hope this has helped. And there you have it, some nice professional looking HD text. And in fact, I'm going to put 2 tutorials in one. I'm going to show you how to make a nice bubbly text. I want to just delete that. so we've just got a single text. In fact, go on, let's change the font to something bubbly, if you get what I mean. So I'm going to change it to this, a nice bold bubbly font. Size that down a bit, and it's as easy as shader, Banji. And now quickly on the caps, you want to put the steps up to about 5. There we go, so it's a nice curved edge. Go into our Banji and the volume colour, you want to change that to whatever colour you want. I want red. And now just drag that on, click render, and we should be seeing a kind of bubbly affected text. And there you go. See the D here. Yeah, nice. They look like the bubbles. Because they do actually have a bit of transparency. But if you want to change everything to red, make it, this is all what you change to the same red, basically. Just make it nice, high, intense red, and transparency. Bring that down to about 20. And reflection, yep, it's a good reflection that. And click off that. And how about we just quickly unsert these two, which are making it take a while to render. And there you go, you've got nice transparent bubbly effect red text. So you can play around with the transparency on it, and I hope this tutorial has helped you in both ways. Next tutorial, I'm not sure what it should be. Leave a comment if you have something you need to know. And it's been Luke. See you guys later.